Welcome and thank you so much for joining me for our yoga with either Pilates ball or a cushion. Now if you're a beginner and you have a Pilates ball, I would stay with that. If you don't have a Pilates ball, stay with me. I'm going to work with the cushion. You just hold and use the ball in exactly the same way. The cushion will give you a little bit of challenge. Now I just picked up this cushion and I've realised it's really heavy, so I'm really in for some challenge, I think, myself today. I hope you really enjoy the workout. I'll just pop this to one side. So could you start with either your cushion or your ball? Take your feet directly underneath the hips and we circle. So we just take shoulder rolls, deep breaths. I want you to feel that you're opening out through the chest, mobilizing all the way through the shoulder joints. 2 more to go. On the last one, I want you just to hold the ball or the cushion with palms facing in. Take the head to one side and center. Head to one side and center. And again. One more each side. Take a softness through the knees. Just gently take the ball or the cushion to the knees and then back up. Now we go a little further to the shin and back up. And now we go all the way down to the floor and back. Let's do that again. All the way down to the floor and back. Retract the shoulder blades. Combination, so we're going to go front, rotate, back and down. Front, rotate, back again. Front, rotate, back and down. Front, rotate, back again now. Front, rotate, back and down. Front, rotate. 2 more. So we take that lift, rotate, back one time. Lift, rotate, back and hold. So now we take the ball or the cushion this way, legs go wider, drop and drive. So I'm going to squeeze the thighs together each time I come up. So I start to really engage through the inner thigh. The shoulders are back and down, the chest is lifted. Yeah. Here we go. So now I'm going to add on by pushing overhead. So I take it drop, drive, drop, drive, drop, drive, drop. Again. 4, 3, 2. Now I'm going to hold at the top and I drop and push. Drop back and push. Drop back and push. I draw the abs in to engage through the center. Drop and push. Yeah. Here we are. 8 more to go. So I take that 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then I bring that down. I take the legs a little wider. I'm going to turn the front foot out, back foot in, and then I'm going to rotate into a warrior position, and I'm going to push, pull, push, pull. So I make sure the knee is over the front ankle, back heel is in, push, release, push, release. Now I'm trying to straighten my back leg as much as I can, and I take that knee directly over the ankle. So I go 8 and squeeze, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 4, 3, 2, and now 1. Right here, I hold and I keep those elbows in and I rotate center, rotate center. I keep the tummy pulled in a little, rotate and center, rotate and center, rotate. So I go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, So now I'm going to bring that down. I'm going to turn to the opposite side. I turn the back foot in, front knee over ankle, and I drop. And I'm really straightening that back leg. And again, right here, I go push and pull. So I'm deep into the legs enough to give my lower body a little bit of challenge. The shoulders are back and down. Again, I push through the crown of the head. I push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. Yeah, so let's go 8 more. So I take that 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 4, 3, 2, and I hold. And right here, I rotate, center, rotate, center, rotate, center, rotate, center, rotate, center, rotate, center, rotate, center. 4 more to go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So I'm going to come all the way back to the middle, and I'm going to place that down, hands to thighs. I drop the shoulder and center. So we just release through the upper body a little. I keep the body weight equal through both legs. Here I take that 4, 3, 2, and the 1. So right now I'm going to come all the way down. I bring the feet in, and I'm going to come into a Hindi squat. Now I do appreciate that this may not be for everybody, so your option will be to sit, and you're going to take the cushion, squeeze, or the ball, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. This is here to protect your head. So I'm going to take you into, from Hindi squat, some of you might want just to practice opening through the hips and holding here. Others, you might want to join me in the bird pose. So I take the elbows inside the thighs, hands are slightly forward of the body. I lift, now my body weight is to my arms. So option 1, I lift 1 foot. Option 2, I lift both. And I hold for 10, 9, how you doing with that? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. So come back. If you're here, stay here. So we're going to go for 1 more time. So remember, if you took 1 foot off, you're just going to have a go taking the other foot off. You've got the alternatives, right? We're not here for too much longer, I promise. So now body weight over the arms, and here we hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the 1. How did you go with that? I'm not getting a thank you, am I? So right here, you're going to take the pillow, and you're going to come into this position for more hip opening. Your option would be here. So right here, I'm going to bring 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and then I'm just going to rest down into the pillow. Harder version, I'm going to take that foot behind. Harder, I'm just going to take the arms out, let the head hang through. If you're using the ball, you have your 4 arms on the ball. Great work. Let's come up, let's do the opposite side. So here you can extend, and if you're comfortable, let the head come down in between those arms. And deep breaths. Coming all the way out of that, you're going to come onto your back, ball or pillow in between the thighs. We do a little bit of core work. Arms out to the side. Option 1, feet together. And we go slowly over to the side and back, working at your own pace. Tummy's pulled in. Each time those knees come back to centre, squeezing into the ball. Harder version. We go over and back. Keep drawing the tummy down. Harder version. Straighten the legs away. Go over and back. So all the while, keeping the tummy strong. If you start to struggle, come back down to the floor. Don't let the shoulders lift. Breath in as the knees go over. Breath out on the return. Let's continue with that. Keep drawing the tummy down. So we're going to go for 4. Excuse me, back. 3. 2 more. 2. And last one. Well done. So now you're just going to put that cushion, if you've got the ball, pop the ball to one side. Cushion goes underneath here, and we're just holding to a really beautiful glute stretch, where you can bring both legs in. It's been quite a long couple of days of travel. I might just stay here. Is that okay? Just have a little snooze. And then we change sides. So take ankle onto thigh, knee goes out. We bring both legs in. And again, those lovely deep breaths. Coming all the way out of that, you're going to take your pillow or ball, and then feet together, we go over to the centre and back. Now you're not letting your knees move, your ankles and knees stay tight together, mobilising around the upper back. The tummy is pulled in, so you get a little bit of waist work, but really working on releasing around the neck and shoulders. You keep drawing the tummy down, and we keep going. One more each side, and release. Cushion goes to one side. Come to hands and knees. Push the middle of the back away and release. One more time. Push the middle of the back away and release. Now come all the way up to standing. Feet underneath the hips, arms in the air, reach, release, reach, release, reach, release. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take the hands behind you, open out through the chest. 2 more deep breaths. 1 more to go. And release. Thank you so much for joining me for our yoga practice with the cushion or Pilates ball today. I really hope you enjoyed the session. I'll see some of you later in the next group, and I'll see some of you tomorrow live. And if you're watching on replay, let me know how you feel.